The HIKARI WINGS H7 LED fog lights provide impressive brightness with their 50,000 lumens, ensuring excellent visibility and safety in various weather conditions. These LED bulbs are engineered with advanced cooling technology, including dual copper heat pipes and a high-speed fan, which significantly extends their lifespan to over 50,000 hours. With an extra 200% night vision capability, these bulbs illuminate dark areas effectively, offering a focused beam for enhanced driving confidence. Installation is a breeze with these LED bulbs, as they are designed for a tool-free setup that takes only 5 minutes, making them an easy upgrade for most vehicles. The HIKARI WINGS H7 LED bulbs are widely compatible thanks to their built-in CANBUS technology, which ensures they work with 99% of vehicles. For vehicles requiring special retainers, HIKARI provides excellent support and necessary adapters, ensuring a seamless fit for your specific setup.